To make this dragon, a designer uses digital software that allows her to make quick changes to the design while communicating with a client. The drawing is based on a human body that is about 5'10". That means this mascot will fit a wide range of performers that could reach as tall as 6 feet. A profile drawing ensures that the pattern will allow for maximum vision and airflow inside the head. Once the pattern is printed, the production team traces the profile onto lightweight, durable foam. Several pieces are cut and formed into a block using a heavy-duty adhesive. A carver then shapes the mascot's head based on the original design. Large eye holes are cut, and then the head is tested for movement and visibility. Now it's easy to see that the dragon is really starting to take shape. With a different type of dense foam that can stand up to lots of movement, he cuts and blocks up a shape that will become the dragon's foot. Using a similar method as the head, the foot is refined into a shape that matches the design. Mascot feet are based on a size 12 foot. However, foam liners are made to adjust the inside of the foot to fit a wide range of performers. In the fabric department, adhesive is sprayed on the carved foot. A flexible faux fur is stretched over the shape and in between those large dragon toes. He uses a very strong thread to sew the back of the foot with a technique that makes the seams disappear. A thick black rubber sole is glued to the bottom of the foot using a heavy-duty adhesive. Final details are hand-sewn and dark yellow shading is added to each claw, matching the original design. The same detail is added to each finger on a well-padded glove. Horns are hand-sewn to the head and will receive the same shading detail as the hands and feet. The head was covered using the same technique as the feet, and realistic eyes with lenses have been installed. Batteries are secured directly in the head. This prevents the battery pack from detaching and causing injury to the performer. The fan is tested and can be easily turned on and off with a switch. Meanwhile, a worker has drafted a pattern for the mascot's body. Every pattern is drafted to match the original design of the mascot. Pieces of foam are sandwiched between 2 layers of breathable sports mesh. An industrial-strength serging machine cuts the excess mesh while sewing and binding the edges of each piece of foam. Strong metal rings are hand-sewn to the inside of the pieces. These will hold flexible tubing, giving the mascot its belly shape. The pieces of foam are sewn together and tubing is inserted into the rings. This belly gives the mascot body its great shape and provides airflow around the performer's body. Using a similar pattern, more liner is cut to create the fur bodysuit that will fit over the inner body. High-quality faux fur is used to give this dragon a plush look and feel. The bodysuit is lined to keep the performer comfortable and to provide the mascot with a long life. The panel for the belly is made by layering liner, quilt batting, and a nylon fleece fabric that can be dyed to match many different colors. The layers of the belly are then serged together. Lines are drawn every 2 inches on the back, and machine quilted to provide detail on the dragon's belly. The bodysuit is almost finished. Scales and wings are hand sewn using the same strong thread as the head, hands, and feet. Now it's time for dress rehearsal. This dragon is definitely ready to provide many crowds with